Yes, hi everyone, Avinash here. Today we will discuss about how to install MetaTrader 4 on Android and how to use it. So in your Google Apps, search for MetaTrader 4. Okay. So here you can see MetaTrader 4 and then MetaTrader 5. Choose MetaTrader 4 and then click on install. MT4 is the common platform that is used across the world from all of the brokers, and recently they are upgrading to MT5. Okay, but MT4 has all the features, and through that features you can easily trade into the market. So let's start with MetaTrader 4. Okay, it's a common and generic platform. I will explain you what to do after this. So it's installing. A moment. So here open. Okay, open. So now you are able to open the MetaTrader 4 platform. So after this you can see here there is saying that start without registration, open personal demo account, log into existing account. Okay, so what has happened, let me check. It has been created by itself, a demo account. You can come here and see. Okay, the demo account has been created with $5,000. Okay, but if you want to create your own demo account, then come here, click here, you can see. So here add accounts, open a personal demo account, find the broker. I will give an example. You can do any broker. Okay, so xnex demo, it's xnex, and search. Demo is not coming, I think. Anyway, for xnex, if demo is not coming, we'll go to some other. Let's say XM is there, then what, Forex is there. Okay, so XM is other broker. Something has happened, I think. Choosing a server, start, log into an existing account, open a personal demo account, find a broker. Here you can give X. Okay, so here one more explore demo is one of the broker with whom you can open the account. Okay, so now here you can choose the amount to be deposited. So it can as low as 3,000, or even it is not less than 3,000, because most of the you will be starting trading with like $1,000 or $500. Xnex does provide that. Okay, but here that xnex demo account is not coming somehow. Okay, but not an issue. Let's start with any broker. Then we have HF. Okay, so let's assume you have been working with MetaTrader4's demo account. Okay, then coming back, this is the your MetaTrader4 demo account. Okay, so here you can see quotes. So these are the pairs currently available. You can add the pairs here by going here. You can add any of the pair, and you can see that odd NZC has added. Okay, next is that you can choose and go on the chart, open the chart. Now you can see here market has been uptrend and now it's a resistance. So if you want to take any order, you can plus. Okay, here is the current price. Now you will have to say instant education. Here are the two buttons you can see below, buy and sell. Okay, so if you want to sell, you can say sell, order has been placed. Okay, done. So here you can see that in the modify order you will be able to see with the one lot at price at price it has been sold. Now you have to choose target and stop loss. Target is in the green and stop loss in the red. So how to do that? Coming back to here, so your order you have been taken at 1327. Okay, and that you have taken the sale, so your stop loss will be above that. So 1.13660 could be one of the stop loss and your target could be 1.13500. so let me put that 1.13690 500 modify, done. So okay, so now you can come back here. So now here you will able to see you have entered here, your stop loss is above red line and your target is below red line. So as a trader you will come to know when to exit. So if it hits the stop loss, we will exit with loss. If it hits the TP, that is target profit, we will exit with profit. Okay, and the continuous monitoring is done by here. So right now our trade is at -14. If it comes down below this, it will go into the positive side. Are you with me? Are you getting me what I am saying? If you have any questions, any doubt, just email me below or call me. Okay, I am always available. Thanks. If you have any questions, post me so that I can create new video as per your questions. Thank you. So today we have understood how to go to any specific pair. Okay, then after that how to open the chart for it, then how to place an order and how to see the current position of that order. Is that okay? Yeah, thanks for being with me and wish you very happy trading.